Welcome to Mini Crafts for Little Hands, and today we're going to make a lovely planet silhouette with gorgeous colours here. So let me show you what you're going to need. So we're going to need a pencil, some scissors, some colourful tissue paper, which I've cut into strips. We're also going to need some dark paper. Sky coloured is ideal, or black, and you could always paint your own. And then we also need some wet glue or PVA with a paintbrush. And I've got a paper plate here, and that's to cut out, to use as a shape to draw around to cut out our planet. And we're ready to start. So I think we'll start by cutting out our planet. So what I'm going to do is I've set the plate on top of the paper, roughly in the middle, and I'm just going to draw a circle around it. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that out. So how I get into the centre is I fold it slightly and I just do a little, tiny little cut there. You might want an adult to help you with that. And then I can slip my scissors in and I can cut to the line and then cut all around it to cut out my circle. So now I've got my lovely circle here. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our glue and our paintbrush and put a little bit of glue just round the edges of your planet here. Not too much or it'll get very wet and sticky. And then, once we've got that done, we just stick our strips across. And you can pick any colours you want or do any direction. Sometimes it's nice to go in different directions, other times you might just want to go straight across, totally up to you. And you want to cover the whole circle. And then you've got them all down, then you can lift it up and ta-da, there's your gorgeous planet. So what you can either do is stick another piece of paper behind to tidy up the edges because it can look a bit messy at the back, or you can stick it up just as it is on the window for the sun to shine through, and it creates a gorgeous stained glass window and creates lots of bright colours. I'd love to see some of your planet silhouettes. Please do send us any of your creations using the hashtag FEArtschool, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye!